If you are thinking of switching to new Outlook, you are probably thinking what happens to your emails, your folders, your signature, and other important data. So don't worry. In this video, I will explain exactly what will automatically transfer from Outlook Classic to new Outlook and what you might need to set up again. There are such features in Outlook Classic as well as new Outlook, such as creating your own signature, creating your quick step, your search folder, rules, categories, templates. These are such features that you can use in Outlook Classic. But when you switch to new Outlook, some of them will automatically transfer to your new Outlook and some of them require your reattention. So check out till the end. Let's jump on in. So before starting this video, let me quickly show you some structural changes I have already made in my Outlook Classic. First, I have created the search folder, which you can see just below the email folders. This is my customized search folder that help me quickly access specific emails. Second, I have created the quick step. When I click on this quick step, which is available under the home tab, and when I click on this drop down, this quick step to manager, I have created this. When I select a specific email, say this one, and click on quick step to manager, the selected email is automatically sent to the send team, to the sales team. This is the great example of how quick step can save time and automate repetitive tasks. Next, I have added the signature. So when I click on the new email, place the cursor in the email body, go to the insert tab and select the signature. And you can see that my name and signature are inserted instantly. This is my pre-created signature setup. So I close this. Now I have also created a folder with the name of high priority. So you can see it here in my folder list where I can keep important emails. In addition to that, I have also created the rule. So when I click on the home tab, go to this move option, click on rules, click on manage rules and alert. This is the rule and alert dialog box, and you will see one of my rule, which is test report. This is my active rule I have added in my Outlook Classic. Now next is let me talk about categories. If I go to my inbox, you can see this email was tagged with the red category. Now next is templates. So when I again click on new email, you will see under message there is an option which is view templates. When I click on it, I have couple of templates here, and this is my customized template. I can simply click on it and I use that email as a template. Now the final category is favorites. You will see on the top favorites. I have added a specific inbox folder to favorite, so I can access it quickly from the top of my folder pane. So these are some of the changes I have already made in my Outlook, and they help me work faster and more efficient. Now the question is, what happens to all these features when I switch to Outlook Classic to the new Outlook? So that's exactly what I am going to show you next. So first, to switch this Outlook Classic to my new Outlook, what I need to do is to simply switch on the toggle. You will see try the new Outlook. This is currently off. Once I click this toggle, it will turn on and the system asks me select switch to use the new Outlook and close your current version. You can switch back anytime. So when I click on this switch, I am redirected to the new version of Outlook, which is new Outlook. I will show you. I have clicked on switch and this is my new Outlook. Now I have both the Outlook open. This is my new Outlook. The interface is entirely different, and this is the Outlook Classic. So first we talk about my emails. So when you switch to the new Outlook, all your emails transfer automatically. That's a good news. This includes email in your inbox, send items, draft, as well as your delete items. So technically Microsoft syncs everything from your mailbox so you won't lose a single message. The best part is that this happens in real time. Once you switch, your email appear exactly as they were in classic Outlook. Next one is folder structure. So in my Outlook Classic, I have showed you this folder. So when you check out in your new Outlook and you search for that folder, which must be here, but there is an issue. When you switch to Outlook Classic to new Outlook, your search folder which you have created in your Classic is not transferred exactly in new Outlook. Currently Microsoft is working on it, and in future you will get this feature as well in new Outlook. But in new Outlook you need to create your search folder separately. Next is your folder structure. So what I have told you, I have created a new folder with the name of high priority, and your folders organize transfer perfectly in new Outlook as well. All the folders you created in Outlook Classic will appear in new Outlook exactly as you arranged them. So this high priority folder is also available in my new Outlook. Now, not only that specific folder, the hierarchy remains also the same. If you had subfolders inside the main folders, they will show up in the same nested structure. In case you color code your folders, that will also transfer very easily. Next is email signature. So in Outlook Classic, I have showed you the signature what I have created, but when I switch to the new Outlook, what happens? So I will show you. When I click on this new email, click on the body, click on insert, find out the signature. My signature is also transferred exactly what I have created in the Outlook Classic. Although you can create your signature from here also, in new Outlook you can get some additional benefits to create the signature, to customize your signature, to modify your signature, and you can also edit or modify this signature which you have created in Outlook Classic in new Outlook. That's the beauty. Now next is email rules. So you have seen I have created the rule in Outlook Classic. Now check out what happens to the rule function. So again I click on the home tab, click on rules, manage rules, and this is my backend of the rules dialog box, and you will see test report. That means the rule which I have created in Outlook Classic is also transferred exactly with the same name, with the same functionalities to the new Outlook. You can use this. However, some complex rules created with third-party add-ins might not transfer perfectly. After switching, it is good idea to check your rules and test them to make sure they are working as expected. Next is your categories. So I close this. Now you will see I have already marked one email as a red category. What happens in new Outlook? When I click on the inbox and see this red category. So that means all those tags remain intact. You don't need to recategorize anything. The category work exactly the same way in the new version as well. That's a good news. Now the next is mail template. I have shown you in Classic the mail template is here. This is the mail template. But in new Outlook, what happens? When I again click on this new Outlook, I click on new email, click on message body, but there is an issue that template option is removed. But there is another option which is mail template. So unfortunately, you saved email template do not automatically transfer to new Outlook. If you created templates in Classic Outlook that were saved as OFT files, you will need to recreate them in new version. So the good news is that new Outlook has a modern template feature that exactly better than Classic version. So technically templates in new Outlook are stored in a cloud, which means you can access them from any device. I have already created a detailed video on this mail template. You can check out the description. So I will show you. When I click on this drop down from the new mail from template, I have already created one template in my new Outlook. So I need to select it and see this is the template I have created. The best part is this template consists of images, tables, hyperlinks as well. But in Outlook Classic, there is no such feature available. So this is the modern version of template which Microsoft updated for the new Outlook. Now the next is quick step. So I have shown you in Classic, this is the, so when I click on the new Outlook, unfortunately you need to manually recreate that quick step in new Outlook. The process is similar, but the interface is slightly different. When I click on this quick step drop down, you will see I have to create the new quick step. No such existing quick step which are available in my Classic are transfer here. You need to create it from the scratch. Now the last one is favorites. This is my favorite option. So you will see in Outlook Classic, the favorite is on the top with this inbox. When I jump to the new Outlook, the favorite folder is already available on the exact location where I have created in the Classic. So you have seen I have shared 8 such features which are created in the Classic, but when I switch to the new Outlook, majority of features are sync automatically, but some of the features required recreation. So if you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.